Next, with 3 kids, a frisky boss, and a havoc-wreaking hubby, it's a good thing Terry Garr has a sense of humor. Mr. Mom, part of Wee's Funny Girls Movie Marathon.
Oh, now she is gorgeous.
The hottest red carpet in town leads to Saturday nights on WeTV. With the new WeTV series, Adventures in Doggy Daycare and America's Cutest Puppies.
The paparazzi are going wild.
Well, it is Brad Pitbull. Here's the it couple themselves, Maltese and Labrador.
Maltador.
We've got the do's and the don'ts. Who is she wearing?
Vivian Westgate.
Starting Saturday, April 7th at 9, it's We Love Puppies Night, only on WeTV.